Guys, Miguel here. Quick video on this Megan Racing strut tower brace. This is what it looks like over here. This is going to be an installation video. Not a lot of videos on YouTube. I think it was $106 on Amazon. I'll have the Amazon link on the description, and it's going to go along with the Megan Racing coilovers that this Z4 already has. Installation is pretty simple. This is a 13, this is an 8 Allen for over here, and then a 14. This is pretty much how it comes, except it was wrapped. I removed the wrapping already so that it's easier to put on, and they left it loose. 3 nuts on one side, and then nuts on the other, just to super easy install. Oops. 100 million degrees in Vegas today. Yeah. So you just put it on like that. You're gonna put these guys on, and then we could put the nuts back on their places. That one's gonna have to be with a wrench. One of two ways you could do this. You could either remove this and then have it swing up so that you could go down, or you could use a wrench. I think that way is going to be a lot easier than doing the wrench way. So I'm going to get this guy out of the way, and then we're going to tighten it down. And then we're going to put it back in place. Not going to tighten it all the way because we're going to tighten it when everything is tight. 3/8 impact. Put everything together, and then this is where I'm going to take the Allen and the socket. I'm just going to tighten it. Other side. There you go. And how many minutes is this video? 3 minutes and 56 seconds, and that's it right there. That's the brace to go with a corresponding coilover. And this is my new project car, hoping that my son will like it. 18-inch wheels on Yokohama Advan Apex, and it's a fairly clean car. Hope this video was helpful. Again, Amazon link will be on the description, but that was the installation. Took about 4 minutes with the right tools. Thanks for watching.